Okay, so we're in the hood of the Glaw, looking for a hydraulic swivel chair. It's like a swivelly chair thing. And I remember seeing one of them somewhere in these bushes. So we're gonna have to go search for that chair, take it home, which is another like 2 or 3 miles. I smell a swivel chair around here. This is so bad to be doing it today.
Yeah.
We need to get in there.
Oh no.
How are we gonna get down this hill?
We could go the other way around, I don't know.
Good idea.
Oh, gap in the fence right here.
Probably shouldn't have done that.
You know, that may have not been the smartest idea. All right, we have to get over by those trucks over there. Oh, you see anybody? Awesome.
See, that's the chair.
That?
Yeah.
Let me zoom in on it. Okay, that's the chair right there by the white truck.
Yep.
Okay, Nathan. So, you know you're probably gonna be the one who steals this, right?
How about you?
I don't think I can. I think I'm the cameraman.
Frick you, man.
Nathan, what in the world are you doing? Just go the path and get the chair.
How about tomorrow night?
What? No, just get it now. That chair is calling your name, Nathan, and you just gotta go get it. What in the world are you doing? You did it.
What if there's security here?
Then you're fucked. I mean, you were wearing a mask though, so. This kid just lost his phone. You sure you didn't drop it along here?
I could have dropped it.
Okay, I'll call you.
Oh, I think I found it. Yeah.
That was scary.
It's from my mom. Hello? I just had the scariest thing.
Okay. Say something philosophical.
Like what?
I don't know.
3 miles until we arrive home with this bad boy.
Awesome.
That hurts. Make it poke me. This is very philosophical. I don't know what philosophical means, but that it is what it is. How philosophical this is. Ow!
Look at that chair.
I only have 7 minutes.
Oh no. Alright. You want me to push you down?
No, I'll just roll down like this.
Alright. That's a little upsetting.
No,
Nathan, shut the fuck up. I'm trying to get a
this is
sunset
not
shot.
working. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's a new YouTube terms of service.
Oh no, is there?
My Brawl Stars got age restricted
How does Brawl Stars get age restricted?
because opening a mega box was gambling.
You having a fun time? I don't think he's having a fun time. Say something philosophical, quick.
The hood of the Glaw is the hood of Jamal.
I've never fallen. What up, Nathan?
That was cinematic. Yeah, I wouldn't die.
Come on, you could go a little faster.
I can't do this. I'll just go like this.
Go, give me your butt. No, other side.